And in this video, we are going to stick with our, one theme style, one style design system. Okay. A few days ago, I posted a prompt for this kind of design in my private community. And I thought, you know what? These simple Bible verses with just some simple line art are really, really popular. So I thought it would be fun if we created something like this, 4 or 5 different designs, just using Canva to create some really quickly. All right. So the first thing I'm going to do though is I'm going to come over here to ChatGPT and I'm going to ask ChatGPT, please give me 10 short Bible verses that would go well on a graphic t-shirt. Okay. And I'm just going to get some information here from ChatGPT. Now, I do want to ask it, it did give me some good ones, but I also know some of these are used a lot, like faith over fear. Can you go through that list and give me 5 that aren't overly saturated and used on Etsy? And now I'll have it redo that list and we'll get some, here we go, the safer, less saturated picks. All righty. So, and it's also giving me some ideas here. Better when paired with clean outline art. So that's what we're going to do. So I'm going to grab the first one here, Grace Upon Grace. And I'm going to ask this really quickly. For these 5 verses, can you give me ideas for line art that would pair well with them? Just so we get some ideas. Here we go. So Grace Upon Grace, open hands facing upward, olive branch, flowing ribbon or banner line. Okay, so let's start with Grace Upon Grace. And let's come over here to Canva where I have a blank artboard all ready to go. I'm going to hit T for text. I'm going to paste that in and I'm going to change my font. And I think I'm going to use Halmera regular. I want some kind of script font. I like that. I think I'm just going to go all lowercase. That looks pretty good like that. And now let's look for open hands line art and we'll see what we get in here. All right. Let's just have a look. I might just do something really simple like this flower and turn it on its side just like that. Make it a little bigger so it's almost the same width as the text. And then I'm going to make this a little bit thicker because I want it to match my font as good as I can. And that looks pretty good just like that. All right, so that's that. And I'm going to come over here and grab the scripture. We're going to paste that in. Now, I don't want that to be in that same font. I'm going to do something. I think just Poppins will work. Just something easy to read. And we're just going to put that right under there, just like that. Really simple design, and it's done. So let's look at the next one. Pray on it. And again, you know what? I'm just going to duplicate this page. There we go. And I'll paste that in here. Whoops. Pray on it. And let's look for praying hands. Alrighty. Get rid of the flowers. Let's move that just out of the way for right now till and we'll make this a little wider so it's about the same size as our hand. And again, let's make this thicker so it pairs better with our, okay, I'm not liking that. That doesn't look good. So let's look in here. And again, it doesn't necessarily have to be praying hands. Let's look and see what ChatGPT said might go well with it. Folded hands, simple cross formed from two thin lines. There you go. Yeah, let's just do a simple cross. Just like that. This one, there we go. I think I like this one. It's really simple. Let's put that in here. Let's make it a little thicker. Alrighty, and that looks pretty good. Pray on it. And then let's bring this down and get our scripture location. 1 Thessalonians 5:17. Paste that in. And we'll just add that right to the bottom. There's another really simple design. And let's duplicate this and look at the next one. Let your light shine. This seems to be, we'll see. I think this one might be a little on the used a lot kind of side of things, but it's also one that a lot of people like. So I think even though it may be used quite a bit, it's still one that is worth doing. Candle line art. So let's take a look in here. Definitely knew I wanted a candle for this. Let's go with this one with the single candle, and we will make it as wide as the text. And once again, we will make the outline, make the lines a little thicker so they match our font. Oh, there we go. And that looks pretty good, just like that. And let's grab Matthew 5:16, paste that in, and move on to the next one. And you see how quickly we can create these designs, and faith-based designs are always very, very popular. So let's look and see. Horizontal line with a rising or setting sun. Okay, so that's a good idea. Let's go here, be still, get rid of this. Let's make our text a little bigger on this one. Okay, alrighty, so that's that. And now let's look for sunset. And we could easily go with something like this. Or let's look here in this one. There we go. I really like this single line style. So try and keep them all pretty consistent for the most part. The cross is a little different, but can keep the rest pretty much the same. But like I said, these are always popular. Always popular. So we can put that in. Let's move this. I'm not really liking that one. I think we need to look for something else here. Once I made it a little thicker, it just doesn't look as nice. You know what? Let's just go with this one. Let's make it a little bigger. Move it up. Move this down. Move that down. Let's make this a little thicker, just like, there we go. Perfect. And let's grab the scripture location for this one, Psalms 46:10. Drop that in, and there is another design finished. So let's do the last one. And this one's real simple. It just says grace. Paste that in, grace. I don't need the period. And let's see what kind of idea. A dove, an olive branch. There we go. Let's do the olive branch. Let's look for that. And if you can't find something in here you like, you can always draw your own. You can use AI to create your own. It's up to you. During these videos, it's just so much faster for me to just use the elements that Canva provides for us. If I was making these designs to actually go into my shop, I would probably create my own elements just because. So I'm going to make this olive branch a little bigger, and I don't like that one. I was thinking I was going to do it a little bit differently than the others, but I just don't care for it. I might just go with the dove. We'll move this over, put the dove right above it, just like that. And we don't need this at all. And that looks good. Or if you wanted the olive branch, you could put that underneath. But I think we're going to go with the dove. I think that looks pretty good together. You could make the dove even smaller if you wanted to, and just put it right here. I'd maybe flip it horizontally. There we go. And that looks very good. Trying to decide where I want it, and I think I want it above it, just like that. I think that looks pretty good right above it. It's simple. Maybe put a little closer. And there you go. Now we just did 5 faith-based designs in just a few minutes, about 17 minutes for everything. So, and these again are always very, very popular. I did them all in black. You could save these as SVGs so that you can change the color on them easily. You could change the color in here if you wanted to. You could make them white for people to use on darker colored t-shirts. You could, keep them black for lighter colored t-shirts. It's completely up to you. But in just a few minutes, we were able to generate 5 different faith-based designs, and just sticking with the same theme and going with different scriptures, different words, different artwork. Alrighty. So thanks so much, guys, for watching. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments, and make sure you like and subscribe. Okay. So I will see you guys in the next video. Hey everybody, it's Rhonda.